That are great then. It's a new month. We're in April and we have lots of deals, freebies, and discounts galore. So here are some items you should think about buying according to Deal News. Spring clothing deals tend to be anywhere from 25 to up to 70% off this month. Warm weather clothes are also expected to fall below $20 each. Early Mother's Day sales are happening and there are more thrift store treasures thanks to Netflix's Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. I clearly need to take some notes from that. You haven't seen my desk on this show. Also, you need to enjoy the in-season produce. Those prices are dropping too. So what you should wait on, let's talk about this. Memorial Day has better prices for home goods, appliances, mattresses. Laptops are going to be best in June. Gardening tools will be better later on this summer, and buy running shoes in the fall. So we have way more on our website. Go to abc15.com/smartshopper. We're just giving you a taste.
Okay, this is good.
Can I give a little sneak peek? Every time somebody passes by your desk, everybody always asks, whose desk is that? Because she has all the stuff that she tries for us.
That's right. All the products, all the props, and I gladly declare it is mine.
It's an organized mess, okay?
It's a great place to shop for birthday gifts, too, for sure.
Exactly.
It's